Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, man, I'm going bananas for all of these Kobalt type of tools. As you could see, everything that you're looking on the table cost me $489. It would have been actually $485 because I actually bought a $5 thing that is not related to these tools. So I've made actually a couple of videos already. Well, more like 3 videos. I've reviewed this tool, I've reviewed this tool, that, and actually the whole thing combined. You've probably seen those already, but they're all done a little bit differently with a little different information depending on what your focus is. So as I promised in the last video, I'm going to show you guys one of these other purchases, which I think it's an incredible deal. Like, what a deal this is. This only cost $124. This drill right here, which is a drill slash driver kit, it is a 24-volt max. It's got 50% more torque. That's what it says. And 20% faster than the previous generation in this type of, tool that they had available by Kobalt. Of course, normally it's not $124. There's some kind of holiday sale. So this tool normally costs like, I think like $164, $169, something like that. But anyways, here's why this is a good deal, okay? First of all, it comes with a 4 amp hour battery. 4 amp hour battery by itself costs $59, okay? It does come with a charger. The charger costs $59. So now you could see that's $120 just for the battery and the charger alone, okay? So what this means is you're really getting this drill for free. And this is why it's so amazing. Plus you're getting this really cool box for free. Because if you're going to get in a lineup of owning an impact like this, and a ratchet like this, and another impact like that, you will need batteries. And now we will have 3 batteries and we have 2 chargers. Basically, all for $485. So for now, let's put this aside and quickly open up this box. I actually was so surprised, and in the store I said, can you guys cut this thing open for me on the box so I could actually get in it, because I couldn't believe it that it comes with an extra battery. So let's go ahead and actually open this up. So here it is, guys. Look at this beefy battery. Now this is a special battery. This is actually an ultimate battery for the ultimate output. The cool thing about it is you could use it with your other impacts. Oh my god. That sounds a whole lot more powerful than the 2 amp. I didn't expect that. This is my first time looking at this. So let's put a 2 amp hour and see. Okay, now let's test this one again. Okay, it sounds the same, but man, there's definitely, this is torquey, so wow. Man, first let's compare the battery sizes. Now look at this thing. 4 amp hour battery, it's just like, is it wider? Yeah, it's definitely wider. So it does have 1 charge on it. This one only has 1 charge, so we need to charge them up. So you could kind of see why it's super important to have extra batteries. I really wanted to buy one of these separately because, I wanted to have a 4 amp hour battery. And I wanted to have like something that's ultimate type of output like this. And I looked at it, it's like $60 bucks. And I'm thinking, well, that's not bad. It's not a bad deal. But then I look at this drill, it comes with this battery, and it comes with a charger, and it comes, you know, obviously with this drill here. So what a good deal that is. So here's the charger. Now this charger, it is identical to the one that I already have that came with this tool. Now if you didn't see a video on this tool, this came with this impact here with the battery and the charger and a bag. With this bag, all for just $100. So that's like another good deal. So that's why I picked that up. But it's like one of those things. Maybe you don't need an impact, you need a drill. So maybe you pick this up for $124. You get this nice case, you get a charger, you get an extra battery that's 4 amp hours. But the way I see it, guys, you can't never have a shortage of too many batteries. It's very important to have batteries. So now I have 2 batteries and I have 2 chargers. I don't know if that all fits on my screen. Let's take a look. Yeah, it looks like it fits. I'll just have to put that on the side. Okay, so that is that. So we have like tools on this side. So let's check this out. So, drill and driver kit. So basically, let's go ahead and actually put this on. Man, this is awesome. It's like this is just speed 1. Here's speed 2. So right now it's set to just the lowest speed basically. So we're just basically like on setting, I guess like 1.5 or. No, it's just, this is 1. This is 1. So here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It sounds all the same to me, so it doesn't really matter. So let's just go to 22. So there's actually 23 clicks. So speed 23. That's really amazing. Then, I don't know what this line is. Maybe that's just more. And then now we have like a drilling. So this is to drill. And that's pretty much it right here. So next is, I want to tell you that this is brushless. And it's got a very nice metal chuck. And on the chuck it says Jacobs. So grip open and close. So that's actually way too fast. So I don't want to be making myself hurt at all. So it opens up and closes very nicely. Basically this one, it stops, which is kind of like awesome. So right now it's not tight, this is why it continues spinning, but it immediately stops. So that's actually really nice. So this is an amazing type of tool here. I really love it. So let's go ahead and actually set that up and plug one of these batteries up. I'm taking up too much room. Okay. So now this is the portion, the importance of a driver. This rubber actually feels really good, very soft. So what we have here is a handle, and I believe it goes like right here. So we need to spin it some more. It goes like right there. How do you do this? Okay, never mind. Wasn't spinning for some reason. Now it does. You know, that's a massive handle, guys. Don't you agree? This is huge. Like, that's like long. This probably has a very big kick because, I mean, we have like 23 spins on here. So this definitely probably kicks. So you gotta like really like keep it on there. So this is a really good driver. Very important. This is going to be the strongest tool that I have on the shelf, you know, on my shelf, from all the drills and impacts and stuff that I own. As far as the drills goes, You know, this is like the most speeds, and it's 24 volt. Up until now, biggest I have is 20 volt. So this is 24 volt. Like, wow, it's massive. So it does come with a belt attachment, and it's got, you know, like a Phillips head along with like a flat head on it attachment, and then we have like one of these. And here's how you actually set this up. Put this in that hole right there, and you could actually use this to try to basically install that bolt. That's actually what I did on my last one. But the cool thing is, look, this one is an Impact. It came with one, so I'm gonna actually use it to install it. There it is. And that one was just hand tightened. So now I'm going to actually insert this chuck in it. So this is just speed 1. I really don't want to mess anything up. Perfectly. So this is actually really nice. So, you know, it slips like it's supposed to on speed 1. So you're not going to like really strip any threads or whatever. Man, guys, what amazing deals these are. Like, wow. I'm definitely so happy. Most likely, I'm not going to keep this in the box. You know, maybe I will if I go somewhere. Because I actually just keep these things on a shelf and just basically try to use them. But anyways, guys, this here, along with the bag, you're looking at $485. So you get 3 batteries, 2 chargers, 4 tools. Isn't that amazing? Isn't this a much better deal than the Milwaukee one I gotten basically yesterday? But if you're watching this video right now, then it's 5 days later. I just think this is so amazing. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit a like on this video if you liked it, if this was informative for you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.
Thank you, thank you.